afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome once again, and this time not for the project launch, but for the project announcement. It gives me great pleasure on behalf of everyone in Team Akshaya to welcome Roshni Bakshi, Managing Director of Disney India, our Chairman Mr. Chitty Babu, and on behalf of all three of us, a very warm welcome to all of you. Welcome to Universe. Universe is the first of its kind mix-up township. All of us have been meeting quite often. We've been talking about Akshaya's innovation, Akshaya's ways of pioneering, Akshaya's way of researching and finding out consumers' aspirations and then coming up with a product. What's new about Universe? As I said, Akshaya has always been a pioneer in innovative and contemporary way of coming up with projects in this industry. We've been known for coming up with new strategies, coming up with new designs. As part of first of its kind in Tamil Nadu, we have tied up with Disney and we are bringing in Disney-inspired themed homes. This is going to be first of its kind in Tamil Nadu. I'm again repeating. There are going to be a lot of offerings to the aspirational income group, and it's also going to be bringing in a lot of children-friendly homes. Obviously, when we bring in something new to the market, it is out of an extensive market research, identifying what the consumers want, what would draw their attention, what would be an attraction, and that's what we've done. In many of the press conferences earlier, you would have heard from us that we are promising to innovate with every single project, and the dedication to be coming up with something new in every single project continues. The location of this project, it's going to be in Sembakam, which is about 4 kilometers from the Tirupur main road of OMR. This is coming up on the main road, which is going to be connecting OMR to Chengalpet. To give you a quick overview of the project, the overall extent of the first phase is going to be 47 acres, 38.27 plus a few more acres where the first phase is going to come up. Overall, that will be about close to 3,372 homes. The whole project is going to come up with 60 blocks, and the blocks are going to be still plus 4 floors. Obviously, to cater to various consumers and make it the first of its kind home for all the aspirational home buyers, we are coming up with sizes which will be pocket friendly. So we are going to come up with 2 BHK, 2 BHK with study, 3 BHK as well as 3 BHK with study. When we call it a mix-up township, obviously it's not just homes, but it's going to be everything that one would want in a township. So we're going to have commercial spaces, we're going to have offices, we're going to have various other outlets coming up. We have retail spaces, so that with a population of close to 20,000 plus in a 3,372 home township, a lot of retail requirements would be there. So we're going to bring in a lot of brands which would cater to this kind of a segment. We're going to come up with a lot of First is going to be an Akshaya educational institution which is going to have a school in-house within the premises. It is having senior citizen homes. We can elaborate more as we progress as to why we are bringing in all these verticals into this township. Senior citizen homes is something which has got a huge demand because a lot of NRIs are looking at aged parents moving into townships more from security aspect as well as being part of like-minded people in and around the township. We're coming up with Akshaya Healthcare. We're going to have a hospital in-house. It's going to have a recreation center which will have all the gaming and all the recreational activities. The overall project is going to be a little more than 100 acres, but what we're using for the first phase is close to 40 plus acres. So what we're also doing is, as part of our ongoing program of addressing the requirements of skilled and unskilled laborers, we are also coming up with an Akshaya Training Academy, which is going to be inside the project. The vision of the project would be to cater to all the aspirational income groups of home buyers. As we already covered, it's going to give us opportunity for all the new verticals that Akshaya is planning to foray into. There's a lot of potential, and all these verticals that we spoke about, being the school or healthcare, is going to give us an opportunity to give job opportunities to hundreds and thousands of people. It's going to give us an opportunity for a lot of material manufacturing in-house. We're going to have a labor camp with a lot of state-of-art living comfort. It's going to be having a lot of facilities, not just to extract work, but also to give them a higher lifestyle for the skilled and unskilled laborers who are going to be part of the Akshaya Training Academy. Akshaya as an organization has been having various capabilities which all of you are aware of. I don't want to keep repeating, but an in-house execution of 1 million through this project is testing and going to give us an opportunity to prove ourselves, and we are confident of taking our in-house capability to 4 million square feet. And why do we require branded homes? All of us who have been here know that every single project has been unique in some very unique fashion. It has been vertical, it has been micro township, it has been a mini city, many first from Akshaya. Now, having exhausted many opportunities, having brought in many opportunities, we wanted to bring in something different from what we've already delivered. We didn't want to repeat what our own success has been. So in that connection, we've come up with a Disney-inspired themed home complex. Owning a home is a dream of every single individual. I'm sure none of us would dispute that. Bringing branded economical homes is something which will be making the common man realize the biggest dream of his. Bringing a themed home at the luxury or signature segment would have made the project even more successful. But our intention is to cater to the common man, for whom bringing a themed home is more than a wow factor. It is more than a dream, more than his lifetime dream coming true. Huge demand for branded homes. I already covered about the market research that we have done. South Indian home buyers are always looking for something for the children, more than the comfort of the elderly or the aged people. They're looking at more for the children, and this way we are also again catering to the children. We are bringing in Disney characters. More will be briefed by Ms. Roshni when she comes to talk about Disney and other characters. We are not going to just do Disney decor inside the house, but it's going to be the entire locality would be transformed. It's not just the project. So the whole locality will be transformed in such a way that you're going to have the whole set of interiors, exteriors, including the swimming pool, lobby, clubhouse, play area, gym. Every single part of the project would come up with a themed concept. So this is definitely going to give buyers an opportunity to choose the famous or the loved Disney story, and it's also going to give them an opportunity to bring in whichever the character the child loves the most, to bring in those characters into the child's rooms. So with that, I would request Ms. Roshni Bakshi, the Managing Director of Disney India, to come up and talk more about Disney and more about the tie-up. Thank you.
Thank you, Srikanth. Thank you very much for coming here today, and good morning to all of you. I am really very thrilled to announce our association with Akshaya. Akshaya is, in fact, as you all know, I think one of India's most awarded developers. And for us, I think it gives us great happiness to see one more association that we have, and the first, in fact, in Tamil Nadu, with someone who we can turn back and say, will work with our brand in the right spirit. I think Srikanth has covered a lot about what is going to be done in the entire Disney-inspired homes as well as in the entire project. But I just wanted to give you a little bit more update. I think when we talk about Disney-inspired homes, and he rightly said, this is for families with young children where they can actually come in and provide an experience which is truly magical for their children. We all know Disney in terms of beloved characters and stories that Disney has. Starting off with Mickey, with the princesses, whether it is Cinderella or Snow White, whether it's Ariel, which is Little Mermaid. A lot of us have grown up on these stories. Whether it's Winnie the Pooh, which is that beloved little teddy bear, to Cars, to today there is Spider-Man, there's Hulk. You have, for the boys, you also have a number of other things, including, all the other characters and stories that we bring every time a movie gets launched. Between Marvel, which is a brand of ours, and which has Spider-Man and Hulk and Iron Man and the others, and Disney, I think we have more than 8,000 to 8,500 characters. So it's just a very rich library that we bring of content, characters and stories that are beloved across the world. Children in India, we've been in India now over the last 9 to 10 years, and children in India are as excited about the stories and characters. And Mickey is the most beloved character. Every time we actually go out and you ask any little child, and the first thing he talks about is Mickey. So it's just the characters and the stories that they get to, that they love. And I think for us in this particular project, the exciting piece is that it is going to be for families that see this as being something more than a wow factor, as Srikanth rightly put it, something that they can show their children and kind of give the entire, I think, the story, the magic and the dream experience to their children. It's almost like, when you come home and a child has a full bedroom which is filled with, let's say, it's a little girl and she has a princess bedroom. What more can you provide to your daughter, right? Where she comes in and from her bed to her wallpaper to, the furniture around, to the bedding, everything else is surrounded with princess. Or if it's a boy and you give him Spider-Man or Cars, right? So I think each one of these rooms can be delivered in line with what the family requires. So that is one. But even more, we're also giving a lot of the exteriors. And I think Srikanth already explained what the exteriors will include. But from a Mickey-shaped swimming pool for the children, to a clubhouse which has, all the elements of the characters in it, to a princess wishing well, right? We all know about the wishing wells, or a little, what would I call, like a birthday party area where you have your special parties for children that can be done. I think there is no end to imagination. And what we bring to the table is the ability for us to sit together along with Akshay and imagine what would be a truly fairy tale experience for kids and families who are living in this new project. So once again, it gives us, we have had tie-ups in the past already with other large developers across the country, but it gives us special joy here because we are very, very happy with the way I think Akshay has done the previous projects that they have, with what they have been bringing to the table, with the innovation at each time. And to us, there can be no better partner as one who can imagine along with us and bring something which we were just talking about in the morning, saying that we should actually deliver something which is even better than what we can sit together and put on the drawing board. So that is really what we're looking forward to. So once again, thank you for being here. I'm very thrilled with this association, and I'm sure that what Akshay will bring to the table should make us all bring a smile to our faces.